Design your future. Be a future designer. Fashion design, self-discovery, and the science of success. Yes, I wrote another book, but this one is very different. This isn't just a book about fashion. It's about you becoming the designer of your life. It blends creativity, mindset, and empowerment because your mindset is your best design tool. After working with so many students over the years, I realized that even though many had the talent, they were missing the mindset, the inner strength and clarity of vision to actually bring their creative dreams to life. And that's what sparked this book. I saw the need for something that could guide aspiring designers, not just in their craft, but in their confidence, direction, and self-belief. I will be reading selections from this book every week so that you can get a first-hand feel for what this book is really about and how it can inspire your own journey. So stay tuned, follow along, and if you're ready to dive in right now, well, the book is available on Amazon in both the paperback version and the ebook as well. So click the link below. Let's design your future together.